Hey everyone, and welcome. So, what we're talking about today is, well, it's pretty historic. For the very first time, the legendary Tomorrowland Festival is landing in Asia. If you have ever dreamed of going, this is going to be your essential guide to making that dream a reality. So go ahead and circle December 2026 on your calendar, because this isn't just another festival, okay? This is the official Asian debut of one of the world's most iconic, most magical music events. For fans in the region, this is a massive deal. So the real question is, are you ready for this? It promises to be an experience like absolutely nothing else. And trust me, a little bit of planning is going to go a long way to making it perfect. And that is exactly why we put together this guide. We're going to break down everything you need to know, from getting your hands on tickets to figuring out travel, all to help you plan what is, no joke, the trip of a lifetime. Okay, first things first, let's talk about the vibe. The theme is Conscienza. And look, the organizers are promising the full-scale, no-holds-barred magic of the original festival in Belgium. Just imagine those insane, massive stage designs, the legendary main stage, all of it set against the beautiful, lush backdrop of Wisdom Valley, right near Pattaya. It's going to be wild. All right, let's get down to business. Let's talk about the most critical part of this whole thing, securing your spot. Because as anyone who's ever tried to go will tell you, Tomorrowland tickets are notoriously, almost impossibly hard to get. Listen up, because these dates are absolutely crucial. And here's why. Tickets for the original festival, they sell out in minutes. You have to, and I mean have to, pre-register on January 8th just to get a shot. Then you've got the hotel packages on February 28th, but the main event, the big one, is the worldwide sale on March 7th. Seriously, put these in your calendar right now. So what's this going to cost you? Well, a standard 3-day full madness pass is looking to be around $370 US. If you want to go VIP, the comfort pass is closer to $600. Now, to be honest, that's actually pretty reasonable compared to the European version. But just remember, that price is only for the ticket itself. So let's say you do it. You snag that ticket. Awesome. The next big piece of the puzzle is all about logistics. How are you going to get there, and where are you going to stay? Okay, flying in, you've basically got three main options. BKK is the huge international hub, but it's still a 90-minute drive to the festival. DMK is where the low-cost airlines fly into, and it's a little further. The real key here is U Tapao Airport, UTP. It is by far the closest, only a 45-minute drive. The catch? It has fewer international flights. So it's a trade-off, right? Do you want more flight options or a much shorter drive? Now, for where to stay, it really just comes down to what kind of vibe you're looking for. You've got Central Pattaya, which is the action hub. It's super convenient, it's where the nightlife is, it's where the shuttles are. Or you could go for Jomtien Beach. It's way more laid back, more relaxed, and usually a bit more affordable. But wait, there is a third option. If you want something a little more upscale, a luxury retreat feel after a crazy day at the festival, you should definitely check out Pratumnik Hill. It's the perfect middle ground. It's quieter, chic, but still just a quick ride away from all the action. And what about the budget for all this? Well, you can find hostels for as little as $15 a night. A really solid 4-star hotel, that'll probably be in the $45 to $80 range. And if you want to go all out, the ultra-luxury spots start around $230. The most important thing here is that there really is an option for every single price point. Okay, so you've got your ticket, you've got your room booked. Now, let's talk about how to actually survive and, thrive at the festival itself. This is the good stuff. This right here is your non-negotiable packing list, okay? Comfortable sneakers, you're going to be on your feet all day. This is a must. A lightweight rain poncho, because, hey, tropical showers can happen. A power bank for your phone, obviously. High SPF sunscreen, and, you have to trust me on this one, electrolyte powder. That high humidity is no joke. So how much cash should you plan to spend each day once you're on site? A really good estimate is somewhere between $100 and $150 US. That should easily cover your food, getting around locally, your drinks at the festival, and even a little extra something for recovery. Now here is a pro tip that will save you a massive headache. Tomorrowland is a totally cashless festival. You pay for everything using pearls, which is the currency loaded onto your festival bracelet. Do yourself a huge favor and top it up online before you even get there. You'll get to skip the super long lines at the festival. You're welcome. All right, let's put this all together. How do you take this amazing festival trip and turn it into the ultimate, unforgettable vacation? Don't worry, we've actually mapped out a perfect 7-day itinerary for you. See, the perfect trip is all about balance. You fly into Bangkok, head over to Pattaya to get in the mood with a little pre-partying. Then you dive headfirst into 3 days of festival madness. And then you recover on the gorgeous island of Koh Larn, and you cap it all off with a traditional Thai massage before you fly home. It is the absolute perfect mix of party and paradise. And yeah, speaking of that massage, you cannot skip this. I'm serious. After 3 days of nonstop dancing, your legs will thank you, I promise. And the best part, it usually only costs between 300 and 600 baht. That's like 10 to 20 US dollars. It's an incredible deal and the perfect way to end the trip. So there you have it, the complete blueprint. You've got the dates, you've got the budget, and you've got the plan. Everything is right here. The only question left is, will you be there when Tomorrowland makes history?